Hi friends, today we shall see what is ethics and morality. Before that, we shall quickly see what is quote for the day. Morality is the basis of things and truth is the substance of all morality. This was given by Mahatma Gandhi. Today I expect you to explain what does it mean in the comment section. So let's get started. First we shall see what is ethics. When we say a person is ethical, it is based on some established standards of behavior. How these established standards of behavior are developed, we shall see in the coming lines, to which individual morality should conform. Then it is known as an ethical action. So it is already in a written form. These are already rules or theory kind of thing, which is a basis for a person's actions to be ethical. So it comes under the field of normative science. We shall see in theory part of ethics what is meant by normative science, deontology and teleology. These are all the different kinds of philosophies given by philosophers like Socrates, Aristotle, etc. These are developed by many theories and principles in quest of understanding human conduct and to make it better. This evokes critical and rational thinking about human conduct or decision based on scientific temper. As we have already seen, there are some established standards to which these ethical actions are related with. So these established standards are made based on objectivity, impartiality, and impersonality. And irrespective of whether a person agrees or not, ethical standards ethical standards exist and human behavior is not considered ethical unless they meet these established standards. So we shall see what is morality and then relate with ethics. Morality is a state of mind. It is a state of mind based on individual values. There we have seen some established standards. These are like universal standards, whereas morality is state of mind, a person's mind. This is subjective, based on individual values, preferences, choices and understanding. When we say a person is moral, it is based on individual or societal values influenced by social norms, traditions, customs, and therefore it is very subjective and differ from society to society. Therefore people have different moral values. These are not universal and these may not match established standards. As we have discussed, these are based on individual values and they are not universal, therefore they do not match established standards. Morality becomes a basis for studying ethics. To be ethical, one has to conform to established standards, but to be moral, one has to conform to one's own standards of behavior. And you should keep in mind that a person, if he is moral, and it is not necessary that he is also ethical, right? We shall see few examples. We have constitutional morality. What does it mean? These standards are prepared or developed based on liberal and rational values. We have democracy, and democracy has few values, and like freedom of speech and liberal views, and there is a equal opportunity for citizens or people to raise their voice or develop. In the same manner, we have social morality, which is based on social values. Let us see the relationship between morality and ethics, which is of three kinds broadly. First, ethical and moral. An example of being both ethical and moral is respecting respect to human dignity and selflessness. These are universal, right? These can be both ethical and also morals. What does our social values make us learn? To give respect to elders, to be selfless and share things with people, right? And then second one is the actions which are moral but not ethical. For example, child marriage. And still society is against living in relationships and LGBT community. These are ethical, but according to some social values, they are not allowed to do it. And banning of slaughtering of all animals, this can be considered as moral but not ethical, because um, instead of regulating, it imposes ban on this, which is against few societies, right? There are different diverse kinds of people in this world, those who prefer to eat vegetarian, non-vegetarian, etc., right? We are, this is not correct to impose few restrictions on somebody. Therefore this is not universal, this is restricted to a society. And we have a third category, that is ethical but not moral. These are universal values conflicting with moral values. For example, Mr. A is liberal but family is conservative. There is a conflict between them. So, therefore, these, although these have different connotations in different situations, but both help in building and improving human character. You can also make this kind of diagram, make two ethics, this is ethics and this is morals, and the intersection would be universal values like tolerance, compassion, this is compassion, peace, truth, honesty, selflessness. And next, we shall do one quickly some exercise kind of thing. Here is about peace, surrogacy, capital punishment, and temple entry. So, whether war is ethical may not be always, because it leads to loss of huge number of lives. Whether it is moral or not, it depends on the society. For example, a country which is trying to get democracy from a authoritarian regime can be considered moral, right? If it wages a war, it can be moral, because in the long term, it will save huge number of lives, and it is for their nation's good. And next, peace is both ethical and also moral. And next comes, in the same manner, think about what it would be for surrogacy. Is it ethical or moral? And think about capital punishment and temple entry. This is the recent issue of Sabarimala women temple entry. So, therefore, I suggest you to make these kind of examples and brainstorm. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this session and you have gained something from this.